OMG! My boy's bought OMG! You won't believe what just arrived in the mail. Oh, OMG. I've been waiting for this for a while. Ligaya. Something came in the mail for you. It's this. You will truly love this. A travel cage. Ow, it's heavy. OMG, Ligaya, now that you're an adult bird, you probably won't want to be cooped up in a bag when we travel. So I ordered this, which is like, it's this awesome cage. I can't wait to set it up. Ooh, RJ's opening it. Oh, so you can assemble it and disassemble.
It's kind of small though.
It does look small, but it said it's for African greys too. Okay, so here's the perch. I guess smaller means less chance of injury. Oh, what's this for? Oh, it's for the top. Wow, wow, wow. Let's see if we can put this together. Another puzzle.
Let me do it. I'm good at this.
All right. Let's see if RJ can figure it out. It doesn't come with instructions.
Yeah, but
oh, you have to just look at. Oh, there. Oh. The guy is totally looking. She's like, what is that? What's that package? OMG, Mabuhay Squad. This was such a mission to assemble.
I know.
Holy.
A lot of energy.
I felt like the parrot playing with a foraging toy. Seriously, this like took forever. Parts were not fitting. This was such a puzzle. Okay, wait. This is it. Okay, why? Why is not? Oh. OMG. Wow, okay, finally. It's done.
Just like this, see?
Oh, cool. Okay, guys. So guys, look at it. See? It's like 2 glass on like 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. It's acrylic actually. And then cage. I saw this online actually. It was
Ant farm for birds.
seriously, that's what it felt like. But no ant farm is this complicated to put together. Seriously. Okay,
It's the washer?
yeah, so I think the way this works is like that, and then you put it, this is where,
I think
is it
here.
like that, or is it
Yeah,
here?
it's here. It's there.
It doesn't screw in. Oh, okay, it is through there.
So you can select which way.
Okay, so he's a big parrot, so it should be here, right?
Yeah.
Oh, interesting.
It's a challenge though to clean this.
Oh yeah, we would have to disassemble it and all of that.
Not really, we have to like just move out the parrot.
Man, like, for me who makes acrylic products, like ant farms and stuff, for sure the molds for this were expensive. Okay, then we just need the washer.
There.
Oh, okay. Just screw that. Interesting. We could put toys on in here, and I guess like food bowls as well. Small food bowls, like water bowl. Okay, there. Did it. And then, oh, I see. Interesting.
This will be her bed inside the hotel.
It can be, yeah. See, look guys, this is what it looks like. So she just purchased in there, and I guess you could see this opens. There's a lock which allows you to open the door, both sides open. You could hang toys, you can have food on one side, water on the other side. It's like acrylic at the bottom, so you could put like newspaper or paper towel there for when she poos. What an interesting product. Oh, wow. Wow, wow, wow. And it's like good quality acrylic too. I do foresee this scratching though, easily. But I mean, was this expensive? It was expensive. Anything for the parrot. And look, you can use this as the carrier, and she can perch at the top here if you want to put them outside of this. Wow! I can't wait to test it on her. The reason why we need this, guys, by the way, is because we're going to make another road trip with her, but it'll be the furthest she's ever gone. Like the furthest she's ever gone was Pangasinan, which was like 4 hours away. But this time it's gonna be a longer trip, so we needed this.
No, we're going to a shorter trip first, before the longer trip.
Oh, okay. 2 trips?
Yes?
Oh, okay. She's doing 2 trips, a short trip and a long trip. Anyways, traveling and this bird will be no strangers to each other. We definitely needed this. So cool! I can't wait to put her in. She's like, what are you guys doing? Are you gonna let me in on this or what? Is this like not me included? Ligaya, I want you to see this. It's for you. Looks like somebody found the seeds that I hid in the decor. In those little holes of that bridge, I've stuffed like different seeds in there. And in certain parts of her cage as well. Like, you see that corn? Oh, she found it. Awesome. Good job, Ligaya. I'm just trying to encourage foraging behaviors. Like, it just is good for enrichment. I think that's just an activity I'm gonna do from now on. Just randomly hide treats in little nooks and crannies for her to find. It'll also keep her busy too. Keep her mind active so she doesn't get bored. Her favorite is still on the couch. Hanging out with us. Ligaya, I have a new carrier for you, but I won't introduce it to you till maybe later when we have to travel. Maybe tomorrow. So funny, she's totally watching the vlogs. RJ's playing the vlogs and Ligaya's totally watching herself. Okay, she lost interest.
Piling mo aming ligaya na pag may mang-aapi ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo. You like it?
She's listening.
I'll sing her another version. Hirang duyan ka ng magiting sa manluluping, di ka pasisiin sa dagat at bundok, sa simoy at sa langit mong bughaw. May dilag ang tula at awit sa paglayang minamahal, at sa kanyang huni at ganda, dayuhan ay nahalina. Bayan ko na nataglay nasat na
She's really listening to him.
Ibon na ibon. I forgot the lyrics.
Hala. She's like, remember the lyrics already. No, she's sleepy. For real. Good morning, Mabuhay Squad! Yes! Ate Ellsie, Tita are here. We're up early. Look at what we had made. Ate Ellsie just delivered it. It's a cage cover, like a proper one. And it completely fits over the cage. Now, mind you, I've got to always remove the driftwood. But it's okay. It fits perfectly. And look, it opens from the bottom with a zipper. Isn't that awesome? So I could say, good morning, Ligaya. Yes. See? Really cool, right? Love it. Love it so much. And speaking of mornings, look who's up and early, awake, eating her salad, her vegetables, and fruits. She had formula this morning. She slept well. She's doing so well. Guys, look at her eyes. See her eyes? See the gray coming in? Crazy. Eventually, it'll be all gray with a little tiny dot when she's an adult. You lose your black eyes, your cute black eyes. You'll have elven eyes. D&D reference. This morning's salad consists of chopped up carrots, cucumber, apple, and banana. So Mabuhay Squad, check out how, see look, see.
Oh, look at that.
She does not like Ate Ellsie or Tita.
Oh, see, Michael is tough.
Look, it's okay.
How about me?
It's okay. Oh, she's more calm now. It
Gusto niya
seems.
lalaki.
Yeah, Ate Ellsie
how
says
about
she
me?
likes boys. But she loves Jaya. Oh, there are the feathers. Yeah, just like that. Exactly like that. Talk softly and it's okay, Ligaya. They're friends. They're part of the flock.
We are friends now.
See, and when she's scared like this, she'll bite anything that comes to her. Like even my finger. This is my finger. See, she
Oh,
gets
she
so
bites?
scared. She like not really hard, but she's like nervous and scared, which is really weird because when she was a chick, she was so okay with everybody, and then just literally overnight, like a few days ago, she started to show discomfort around Ate Ellsie and my Tita Encarna. It's okay, Ligaya. See, there she is, puffing up her feathers. It's okay. No, it's okay. They're friends. They're friends. See?
We are friends.
I know she'll get over this. I guess it's kind of like parrot teenagehood, like the hormones, and her mind right now is like totally engaged and active, and just she's figuring out the world as an adult bird. So I think that's why, like, it's kind of having this confusing stage. You're in a transition stage, Ligaya. I understand. Trust me. I went through the same thing when I was a teen. Here, you can keep making a mess eating. Go, go, go. She's checking to see if Ate Ellsie and Tita are around. No one's around anymore. Go ahead. Don't worry. Don't worry. Go here. Here. You want cucumber? Here. Yeah. Cucumber? Oh, okay, okay. You go eat yourself. I know. You want to do it yourself. Guys, so get this. Her favorite toy out of all the expensive toys we've ever bought her on Amazon, in a store, is this water bottle. She consistently plays with it for literally for the longest I've ever seen her play with a toy. She just like wants to figure out how to unscrew this blue bottle cap. She loves that toy. But see, look at how she is around RJ and I. Totally calm, chill. I'm trying to figure out like what it is. Like, does she not like women? I don't know. The only way we'll be able to find out is if, I don't know, JR comes, because she used to love JR when she was a chick. And if she's okay with JR, then that's not it. I wonder if she's ageist. That's not nice. Alright, Mabuhay Squad. So, I'm about to show you something regarding plans for the future. Future plans for Ligaya. And I think this will be really cool, really benefit her, benefit us, and just really cool. Mabuhay Squad, check out what I have in mind.